Hello guys, welcome. Today we're gonna look into the quick setup in the Bitrix and we're gonna add our profile, company details, and we're gonna look into the features that we should enable or disable according to my company workflow. Okay, for that you need to go through at the left side. You'll get a menu bar, so there you need to click on more and you just search it for settings. Okay, in settings you're gonna add or type your company details, mail id, company name, and you can if you want some features or you don't like the features, you can enable and disable that features. Okay, so first thing we need to look into the company name. The My company name is Sindhu Digital, and I have put the Sindhu Digital and the display name. So here you can see the display name. As you can see, the display name has to uh, it's your choice. If you want some other name, you can, for the display at the header, you can put whatever you want. Okay, that's it. And unvote like buttons text, it's just an text text. And we're gonna add our company email address. Okay, and uh, and also add your company logo. Add 24 to company logo. If you want this, you can add. If you don't want, you're gonna uncheck it. Okay, right now I'm just leave like that only. Yes, and the language you can select whichever the language you're comfortable with. And my company is comfortable with in English, so we're gonna put English. And the date format according to the country base, you can set you can set it your time format also. And we are in India, so we are having a time format of 12 hours, so we're gonna put it 12 hours. If other countries people, they're gonna work on 24, like uh, the time format will be at 24, so they're gonna put 24 if you want. And the name format, you can select the name format. So if a person has a two first name and the last name, so however you want, you can put the you can select the format of the name. Okay, if I will put that as John Smith, and the last name and the first name and I'm sorry, first name and the last name. If you want last name first and first name last, you can put whatever you want. Okay, and also the first day of the week, if some of in some countries, the it might be a Sunday for the first day of the week. So you can select how you want. So my company profile will start as a Monday, as a first week. Okay, first day of the week. And you can work time parameters, you can set the work time parameters, which means the company working hours. It might be 10 to 7 or 9 to 7. However, it can be flexible also. If you want, however you want, you can set it up the time formats. And the week, here you can see weekend days. Okay, like we're gonna add the days when we are working. So in our company we are gonna work a full week, in the full week. Okay, I just added every day. And you can also mention the days which you gonna give holidays. Okay, weekends and holidays, it might be anything. Okay, you can put that. And phone number format, every country has their own format and own country code. You can select the country according to your profile. Okay, and sorry, yes, address format, you you can even customize how you want. So I just put that as a USA format. Okay, so that's it for my. Okay, that's it. And You can set however you want the formats. Okay, the type of organization, the company and the employees, and organization and users, it might similar, the both are similar. So you can put, I'll just click on this company and employee. Okay, show dismissed employee. This is the way we can hide. So if we dismiss the employee from the Bitrix, he might be in a hide folder. Okay, so if you want this uncheck, or you directly want to dismiss and it won't, you don't want him to be in the trash trash bin, so you can just unclick it. Okay, and okay, view document using documents using. So I recommend the Google View as the best. It's a standard format where you can use whatever the things you want. So I'm using Google Viewers. Okay, and there are a couple of other settings you can easily, but you will get to know on next videos. Okay. Okay, as you can see, you can allow all users as option in activity stream. In further videos, I'll discuss about these activity streams. Okay, now I'll give access for all employee. If you want to be restricted, you can even cancel it, and you can select the employees. Right now I'm selecting all. Okay, for activity stream, I need to, everyone has to see their activity stream, so I'm just adding everyone. Okay, and there are other settings also, you can go look into that. And if you want, how you want, you can uh, just check and check. Okay, okay, uh, notification about employee slash users dismissal in general chat. Okay, if I dismiss the employee, so other employees will get a notification that this employee has been uh, dismissed from the organization. So these things I don't want to be notified for my other employees. Just I just unclick that. Okay, and allow users to install app. So I don't want any employees to install app in a Bitrix. It should be only from my administrator profile as to install the app. So no other employees has to install anything in the Bitrix. Okay, it will go wrong, and some of the changes will can't be done again. Okay, so better to don't give the access for your employees. Okay, and there are other settings also you can see. Okay, and next part is GDPR compliance. So right now I'm not aware of this, and I'm not going to look into that. And further videos I going to tell what is GDPR compliance. Okay, and other general settings that you wanted to be set it up, you can just easily make them. So this is make two steps authorization mandatory for all users. Okay, if we check that the employee can't use the Bitrix in other app also, he will get a notification. If he wanted, if we'll get a notification if you want the Bitrix to be added in his mobile phones or external devices. Okay, so this I won't check it. Okay, right now it will be same only. And there are some of the surveys which will really helpful for your organization, like CRM. If you don't want this some of the features, you're just gonna uncheck, and it will it will disappear from your interface. Okay, I mainly recommend, if it's I have a more than 10 employees and you need to look into is login details, like when an employee enters the firm, he has to have some login entries like clock in, clock out. So if you want that kind of features, you just uncheck this time management and work reports, because whenever the employee enters the company, you just want to clock in, so that the employee starts working, and in afternoon you can just, I'll show you in further video how it's work, the time management, how it's work, and how to submit reports to the uh, top level managers. Okay, I'll just show in further videos. Okay, and you can uncheck the meeting if you don't want to use the meetings, you just gonna close that also. Okay, and list method, if you want those things, I'll very much clarify in further videos. Okay, and I also have other notifications. Okay, and you can put the company logo also. Okay, the company logo, and you can update, and it has resolutions that you wanted to really follow. Okay, this is you need to follow. Okay, and just I'm not gonna save it because I have already saved that. Okay, so after setting all this, you'll get the beautiful interface, and which are the features you don't want, you just gonna disable in that settings part. Okay, and that's it for this video, and we're gonna look other part in next videos. Okay, thank you.